The conclusion is an important, obviously, component in ending this paper. Want to make sure that you have it strong, so learn and understand these elements that go into your conclusion. That very first sentence that you're doing, I want you, of course you're going to let me know what the topic is, but you're going to do it by restating your research question. That research question is in your introduction. Please don't copy and paste it, reword it, but you're just going to remind me what did you ask in the first place? Because remember I said the research question goes in the introduction, it is answered in the body, it's detailed in the body, the responses, and then it's summarized in the conclusion. I get to see the answer to it. So you've got that research question there, you're reminding me what I'm looking for. Now, some of you are going to need to go back and reword your research question. You'll go back to the introduction and you'll go, you know what, actually I need to broaden this research question. Some of you are going, I need to change it a bit. Like, my question isn't really exactly where my paper ended up going. So that's okay, go back and change that research question in the intro. Then you're going to address it, and you're going to do it by sections. Section 1, summarize. Section 2, I have 3 sections in my paper, the embryo, mom, and doctor. So I'm going to summarize each of them, and it's just a summary sentence or two that reminds the audience, hey, when we were inside the paper, this is what we discovered. Then your last sentence here is really the conclusion. It has got to be a strong statement. Don't ask a question. You give me a final statement. It really is your opinion. So when we say that the conclusion is about the rewording of a thesis, it really is. Topic, here are your parts, and you end with your opinion. You end with that strong statement of the opinion at the very end. And for some of you, it could be that your conclusion will be longer because you have many sections. But what I want you to see is that you are not giving a summary sentence for every paragraph. It's for every section. So I have four paragraphs on the embryo, and I'm going to probably summarize it in 2 sentences. I have 3 on the mom. I can summarize that in 1 sentence, maybe 2. And then I just have 1 on the doctor. That's another sentence. Okay? And then I'm going to end with a strong statement, which is on a position of pro-life, because that is the position I took inside the paper. All right? So that's your conclusion.